In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Epic Games error LS-0003. If you've ever encountered this error, you know how frustrating it can be, especially when you're eager to dive into your favorite game. But don't worry, we're going step by step to resolve this issue, ensuring you can get back to gaming without a hitch. First, let's understand what this error code means. LS-0003 typically occurs when there's an issue with loading the Epic Games launcher or one of its components. It might stem from a missing or corrupt file, or it could be a simple connection issue. So, our goal here is to troubleshoot these potential causes. The first thing you should try is restarting your computer. This might sound too simple to be true, but a quick reboot can often clear up any temporary glitches or conflicts your system is experiencing. Once you've done that, go ahead and try to reopen your Epic Games launcher to see if the error persists. If a reboot didn't do the trick, let's move on to verifying your game files. Sometimes, the game files might get corrupted during a download or update, leading to errors when you try to launch the game. To verify your game files, open your Epic Games launcher. Go to your library and locate the game that's causing the issue. Click on the three dots next to the game and select Verify. This process checks the integrity of your game files and repairs any issues it detects. Once verification is complete, try launching your game again. Another common fix is to check if your Epic Games launcher needs an update. Outdated software can often run into compatibility issues. To do this, head to the lower left corner of the launcher window and click on Settings. Scroll down to see App Settings. Here, if there's an available update, a prompt will offer you the option to do so. Make sure to update and then restart the launcher for good measure. Next, let's consider your antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes, these security tools can mistakenly block or interfere with your launcher's ability to connect to its servers. Whitelist the Epic Games launcher by adding it to the exceptions list of your antivirus or firewall software. This will help ensure it's not being cut off during its operations. Finally, if none of these steps have worked, try reinstalling the Epic Games launcher. While it's a bit more drastic, a fresh installation can resolve deeply embedded issues. To do this, first uninstall the current version through your control panel. Once that's done, head over to the Epic Games website and download the latest version of the launcher. Install it anew and see if the error is resolved. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you should be back to enjoying your games in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.